Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sakshi Sagar, a Delhi NCR based makeup artist, and this video is going to be about a very beautiful festive look. Is it your first festive look after your wedding? It's special in a way that nobody can describe. So I'm here to recreate this beautiful festive look which involves smoky eye and nude lips. So come along with me during the video where I show you the full process and let's do it together. This is my gorgeous outfit by Shein, and I love the color, I love the pearl detailing, and Gota Patti always goes with the festive season. So let me quickly change into it and start with the look. First thing first, I'm using my Smashbox primer. This will allow my makeup to stay for a very long time, and also my concealer and foundation will blend seamlessly. Now using my Dior Skin Correct concealer. This is a great concealer. It gives you coverage but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which exactly you want for a summer festive look. You don't want the products to look very heavy on the skin. Using my Charlotte Tilbury foundation, as it gives the most airbrushed look, I'm patting all the product in my hand first and then taking it on my face. This allows the foundation to look very flawless because you're not putting any extra product on the skin. Again, I'm using the Studio Fix powder and finishing with the look. So this adds an extra layer of coverage on the skin and it will keep the skin matte, which is really nice again for the summers. To sculpt and contour the face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury contour powder in the shade 3 Tan. This is my favorite. It just makes the face look so chiseled and adds that extra dimension what is needed. And it's the perfect color for the Asian skin. Grooming my brows, I'm taking my Benefit Brow Wiz, and I love this pencil. I'm using it in the shade 4. This pencil has the right amount of pigment. It allows me to create those soft strokes to define my eyebrows and to just make them look perfect because brows frame your face. Now for the eyes, I'm showing you the easiest way to do a smoky eye. I'm using my Color Bar dark brown pencil which is smudgeable. Once I use the pencil on top of the lid and the lash line, lower lash line, I'm taking my blending brush and I'm just creating this soft strokes to blend out the pencil and taking it just till the end of my lid and smudging it in my crease. As you can see, this already creates a very beautiful brown base to the eye. Again, going in with my lower lash line and smudging the pencil there as well. Smudging will make it look that soft, it will give that smoky finish to the eye that we are looking at. And also I'm elongating the eye. I'm going to make the shape look like more almond so that my eyes look more elongated. Doing that on the other eye as well, I will be going in with an eyeshadow palette now. I'm taking the Makeup by Mario soft matte palettes. That's what it's called, I think. It's got these beautiful matte colors because we want to now create a smoky effect with the eyeshadow. So I'm taking a brown eyeshadow, like a softer brown, and then blending the pencil that we have smudged with the shadow, so it looks like you've done a lot of effort but you've exactly just done the smoky eye in 2 steps. Now post this, I've put like a bronzy color in the middle of my eye and I'm finishing it with the liner. Now take your time doing the liner. Curling my eyelashes now and taking my favorite mascara, which is the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. I'm taking the waterproof version so that I can keep it on for a very long time. I'm taking my time doing a double coat of the mascara to give that extra fluttery lashes look. Post finishing my eyes, I'm doing my favorite part, which is the blush. I'm using the Patrick Ta blush in the shade I'm Flushed. I'm using the cream side first, blending it out and then using the powder on top of it, making sure that that peachy glow stays intact. Coming to lips, I'm using my K Beauty lip liner in Hype.
taking my time to shape the lips properly. This will help my lipstick stay longer and lips more defined. So I'm now slightly extending the top of the lip just from the cupid area and taking my Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Venus. This is a perfect nude peach colored and it really suits the Indian skin tones. So this is a really good investment if you want to add in your lipstick collection. So I'm super happy. And now I'm taking my highlighter, which is my Dior Backstage highlighter palette. And I'm generously just putting the highlighter because I want to glow. And now I'm ready with my final look. I've already put a makeup fixer and finishing off my look with wearing this beautiful jewelry, and chandbalis are always so beautiful and look so traditional with festive looks, and I'm wearing my gold kara to just finish off the look.
Guys, we are done with the final look. मैंने earrings पहन लिए हैं. I'm ready. I've got soft curls done, and you can see such a beautiful brown, bronzy, smoky eye with like a nice neutral peach lip. I just love this look, and I'm sure you guys will try it on. If you do, share your look with me and subscribe for more such videos. Until next time, bye bye.